Hello everyone. I didn't see any review for FPV pilots of this camera, and I think it is the best FPV camera for a really low price. It costs around 50 bucks, and the picture quality is outstanding for the price. It has no accessories, but as FPV pilot, you would never use casing or anything other. It has many resolutions that you can set up, but you'll just use 2.7K, 1440p, because it has 30 FPS. At 4K it has only 20 FPS and it's not enough. You can use Twixtor to count the other frames to 30 FPS, but it's not good and it's really time consuming. The main function that you will use is setting the ISO, because if you know something about anti-filtering and other things, you just want to get rid of the gel effect. So you can set up 100 ISO and it will be buttery smooth. The video is perfect just with the 100 ISO. It's really nice sharp image and really a really good bit rate, around 32 megabits per second. It's enough. It's not the best, but it's enough. But there is a but, because I use this camera for my FPV drone with GPS, and the GPS is interfering with the camera because the camera just produced many electromagnetic noises. So I put in the casing of the camera, I put some aluminum plates made from a can, and it solved the problem. So with this really simple trick, you can just fix the interference. That's all. I think it'll be helpful for FPV pilots. I really didn't mention many other functions that it has, but you will not use them. It has Wi-Fi. It has Wi-Fi and you can set up the framing, but it's not necessary when it has just good display. So that's all. Hope it will be helpful and have a nice time.